Investing in the stock market can seem like a daunting task for beginners, with its ups and downs, fast-paced nature, and complicated terminology. However, it is also a thrilling and potentially profitable venture that allows individuals to become part owners of some of the largest and most successful companies in the world. With the right knowledge and strategy, stock market investing can be a rewarding experience. In this video, we will share some valuable tips to help you navigate the stock market with confidence and make informed investment decisions. Whether you are a seasoned investor or just starting, these tips will give you the tools to achieve your financial goals and build a successful portfolio. So let's dive in and discover how to make the most out of your stock market investments. Here are some tips to help you make money with stock market investing. Set clear investment goals. Stock market investing is the practice of buying and selling stocks or shares of ownership in a company with the goal of making a profit. This is done through researching different companies, analyzing their financial data and market trends, and making strategic investment decisions. By purchasing stocks, investors become partial owners of the company and can make a profit by selling their shares at a higher price than what they paid. However, stock market investing involves risk, and it's important for investors to have a clear understanding of their goals, risk tolerance, and diversification strategies. With proper research and a well-thought-out investment plan, stock market investing can be a lucrative way to earn money and build wealth over time. Do your research. One important tip for stock market investing is to do your research before making any investment decisions. This includes researching the company's financials, industry trends, and potential for growth. By understanding the company's financial health and overall market climate, you can make more informed investment choices. This can help you avoid investing in companies that may have a high risk of failure or choosing industries that are on the decline. Thorough research can also help you identify potential opportunities for growth and make strategic investments that align with your financial goals. Remember that investing in the stock market involves some level of risk, so it is important to educate yourself and make informed decisions. Diversify your portfolio. When it comes to investing in the stock market, it's important to have a plan and stick to it. One tip for successful stock market investing is to diversify your portfolio. This means not putting all of your money into one stock or industry, but spreading it out across different companies and sectors. By diversifying, you are reducing your risk and potential losses. Another tip is to do your research before investing in a stock. This includes looking at a company's financial health, management team, and industry trends. By staying informed and educated about your investments, you can make more informed decisions and potentially see greater returns. It's also important to have a long-term mindset and not be swayed by short-term market fluctuations. Overall, successful stock market investing takes patience, a well-thought-out strategy, and a willingness to adapt to market changes. Have a long-term perspective. The stock market can be volatile in the short term. When it comes to stock market investing, having a long-term perspective is crucial. The stock market can be unpredictable and volatile in the short term, which can lead to impulsive and emotional decisions. However, it's important to remember that historically, the stock market has shown consistent growth over the long term. This means that having a well-thought-out long-term investment strategy is crucial for success in the stock market. By focusing on the big picture and avoiding reacting to short-term fluctuations, investors can stay on track and make informed decisions that align with their goals. Ultimately, patience and a long-term perspective are key when it comes to navigating the stock market and achieving long-term gains. Don't invest based on emotions. One important tip for investing in the stock market is to not let your emotions guide your decisions. Many people make the mistake of buying or selling stocks based on fear or hype, which can lead to impulsive and irrational decisions. Instead, it's crucial to approach investing with a level head and rely on thorough research and data to inform your decisions. This can help you make more informed and logical choices rather than being driven by emotions that may not align with the overall market trend. Remember to remain disciplined and avoid making rash moves, as the stock market is a long-term game and requires patience and strategic thinking. Monitor your investments. Monitoring your investments is an important practice in stock market investing. It involves keeping track of the performance and value of your investments in order to make informed decisions about buying, selling, or holding onto stocks. One way to monitor your investments is to regularly check in on the stock market itself, as well as the performance of the companies in which you have invested. This can help you identify any trends or significant changes that may affect the value of your investments. Another important aspect of monitoring investments is keeping track of company news and developments. This can include upcoming earnings reports, new product launches, or changes in leadership. Staying informed about these developments can help you make strategic decisions about your investments. It is also important to regularly review your portfolio and reassess your investment strategy. This can involve evaluating the balance of sectors and industries in your portfolio, as well as the overall performance and risk level of your investments. Consider seeking professional help. Investing in the stock market can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. With so many options and factors to consider, it's important to have a solid plan in place to avoid making rash decisions. Seeking professional help from a financial advisor or investment professional can alleviate some of the stress and uncertainty. They can offer personalized advice based on your unique financial situation and goals, helping you make well-informed decisions. Additionally, they can monitor your investments and make adjustments as needed, giving you peace of mind and potentially better returns. While it may come at a cost, the expertise and guidance of a professional can be a valuable asset in your stock market investing journey. When it comes to investing in the stock market, knowledge and patience are key. By following the tips and strategies mentioned, you are equipped with the necessary tools to make informed decisions and build a successful portfolio. Remember, the stock market is a long-term game and staying consistent is crucial. Wishing you all the best on your investing journey. If you like this video, be sure to click the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.